Hello everyone, my name is Anusha. I am a research scholar in UVC Bangalore University. Today I am going to present a paper on static hand gesture prediction using Inception V3. Co-authors of this paper are Samyama Gunjal GH, Assistant Professor in UVC Bangalore University, and Manjushri NS, Research Scholar in UVC Bangalore University. These are my contents. Coming to the abstract, sign language is a communication language which employs hand structure, facial expression, and body language to communicate. These act as a means of communication for deaf and dumb through the use of hands and other parts of the body. Sign language considered in this work is American Sign Language, which consists of images of static hand gestures. So, the ASL dataset mainly considered for this study consists of ASL alphabet images. With the use of deep learning and artificial neural network concept, it is possible to build a system that can recognize objects by learning features of the object. The proposed work is to recognize the static hand gestures of the American Sign Language using Inception V3 model, which uses transfer learning method to train the model. Coming to the introduction, as I have said earlier, sign language is a type of language that uses hand movements, facial expression, and body language to communicate. People who have hearing problems frequently use sign language instead of spoken language to convey their message. American Sign Language provides the deaf and dumb community a way to interact within the community itself as well as to the outside world. ASL is used predominantly by deaf and dumb people who can hear but cannot speak. The fundamental of American Sign Language are the American Sign Language alphabets, which can be used by deaf and dumb people to communicate letter by singing the names, place, age, number, date, years, and words, and so on. The proposed work is focused on developing the static hand gesture recognition system by using ASL dataset. ASL dataset consists image of hand gestures of alphabets from A to Z at various conditions like different brightness level, different background, different zooming level, different positions of hand gestures like hand gesture images present on top left corner of the image and gestures present on top right corner of the image, in the middle of the image, and gestures present at bottom right corner or on bottom left corner of the image, like that. With the advent of artificial neural network and deep learning, it is possible to build a object recognition system. By using Google Inception V3 as the base model, it is possible to train the ASL dataset which predicts the sign. The sign here is nothing but the ASL alphabets. The static hand gesture recognition system acts as a bridge of communication between hearing people and deaf and dumb people. Coming to the proposed work, that is static hand gesture recognition system, here one of the deep learning method, that is Inception V3, is used for hand gesture prediction. The deep learning model for hand gesture prediction is implemented using neural network architecture. Using deep learning model, it is able to pull the required and useful information from input images. The proposed system utilizes the Inception V3 model, which uses the transfer learning method to train and test the images of the ASL dataset. Inception V3 is a convolution neural network from Inception family that has deep network of 48 layers through which image analysis and object detection is done. Coming to the ASL data that is considered in this study. As I have said earlier, American Sign Language is a natural language which has the same linguistic property as spoken language. These ASL dataset are taken from Kaggle. ASL data consists of hand gesture images of 29 classes which are divided into 26 alphabets of sign language and 3 additional signs. They are space, delete and nothing. Total number of images that are considered here is 87,000, which are of 200 cross 200 pixels. So the figure 1 shows some of the images of ASL dataset. The ASL data is classified into different classes based on their texture of finger, position and structure of the fingers held. Coming to the implementation, the proposed model is supervised learning model which helps in feature extraction from the input images. Inception V3 is a widely used image recognition model which has CNN architecture. The model includes convolution, average pooling, max pooling, concats, dropout and fully connected layers. So I would be explaining about these layers in further slides. Transfer learning method along with data augmentation technique is used to create the deep learning Inception V3 model for ASL dataset. The Inception V3 network is trained with American Sign Language dataset. First, the Inception V3 model is trained with predefined ImageNet dataset, here the model is able to retrain the final layer. The knowledge that Inception V3 model has learned during training of ImageNet data is retained and then applied to ASL dataset to train and test the network. Data augmentation is the technique which uses to train the model for various real-world scenarios. The data augmented on dataset images by shift zooming up to 120% and brightness shift up to 20% darker lighting condition. The Inception network used in the system consists of 29 softmax units and 1024 ReLU units for the prediction of 29 classes. Below are the equation used for calculating ReLU and softmax. So here Zi indicates input vector and Zi and Zj indicate standard input and output vectors. Coming to the system architecture, here figure 2 shows the block diagram of the Inception V3 model. It consists of various layers such as convolution layer, average pooling layer, max pooling layer, fully connected layer, activation layer. It also consists of various blocks such as block 1, block 2, block 3, block 4. I would be explaining about these blocks in the next slide. Coming to the layers explanation, let me explain about the convolution layer. So convolution determine the pixel value for the hand gesture feature of the images. Here 1x1, 3x3 and 5x5 convolution filters are used, where 1x1 convolution filter in the Inception V3 model will reduce the dimension of data passing through the network and it learn pattern across depth of the image and enable the network to learn more, whereas 3x3 and 5x5 convolution filter in the network allows to learn spatial pattern at different scales. Next, coming to the activation layer. The activation layer decides whether the neuron is activated or not by using activation function such as ReLU and softmax. ReLU, that is rectified linear activation function, is a piecewise linear activation function that will produce the output directly as positive if the input is positive, otherwise the output will be 0 so that the feature of the image can be highlighted. Softmax is activation function present just before output layer which assigns decimal probabilities to each of 29 classes in the dataset, and these decimal probabilities are added up to 1. Coming to the next layer, that is fully connected layer. The fully connected layer in the neural network are those layer where all the inputs from one layer are connected to each activation unit of the next layer. So let me explain about each block. So the block 1, figure 3 shows the diagram of the block 1 where it consists of 3 convolution layer, that is convolution 1x1 layer and convolution with the filter 3x3 and convolution layer with filter 5x5. It also consists of layer that is average pooling, where average pooling calculates the average value for patches and down samples the feature map, and after this what it will do, it will do the concatenation of all these layers. Coming to the block 2, it consists of 2 layers, that is convolution 2x2 layer and convolution 5x5 layer. It consists of max pooling layer. So in max pooling, it selects the maximum element from the region. So by getting all the values, it would be sent to the concatenation layer. Coming to the block 3, it consists of various layers such as convolution layer 1x1, 2x2, average pooling layer, and the output from this layer would be sent to the next layer which consists of convolution layers of 1x1. So the output would be concatenated. For concatenation purpose, it would be sent to the concatenation layer. Coming to the block 4, it consists of 2 layers with a max pooling layer. The 2 layers of convolution layer are 1x1 convolution layer and 3x3 convolution layer. The output of this convolution layer would be sent to the concatenation layer. So this is about the block diagrams of each block. Coming to the results section, the American Sign Language dataset, which consists of total 87,000 images, in which 78,300 images are trained using Inception V3 model, and remaining 8,700 images are used to validate the model. Here the table 1 shows the validation and training results of the proposed Inception V3 model for total 25 approaches. The training accuracy is about 98.87% and the training loss is 0.11, and the validation accuracy is 95.75% and the validation loss is about 19%. Here figure 7 shows the training and validation accuracy for ASL dataset, where the training and validation accuracy is gradually increasing with approaches. The training accuracy provides accuracy of Inception V3 model while training the model with the classification training ASL dataset. whereas the validation accuracy provides the accuracy of the trained inception V3 model with validation datasets. Coming to figure 8, which shows the training and validation loss for ASL dataset. Here the training and validation loss is gradually decreasing with the approaches. The training loss provides how the training ASL data is fitting to the inception V3 model in each approaches during training, while the validation loss provides how well the trained inception V3 model is fitted to the validation ASL datasets. Here the figure 9 shows the testing result of inception V3 model where the images show their respective actual and predicted class of ASL image. The testing accuracy of the proposed inception V3 model is about 96.43%, which is shown in figure 10. Here the table 2 shows the comparison result of the existing hand gesture recognition system using PCNet, CNN and RNN with the proposed Inception V3 model. It shows that Inception V3 model for static hand gesture recognition system gives better accuracy compared to other existing system. Coming to conclusion, the proposed static hand gesture prediction system uses transfer learning technique and data augmentation technology to study the effectiveness of Inception V3 model on TensorFlow platform in the prediction of American Sign Language alphabets. Inception V3 is able to detect and classify the American Sign Language alphabet images. The system is able to attain the training accuracy of about 98.87% and the testing accuracy of about 96.43%. And here are some of the references. Thank you.